Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. If you're looking for a compact, easy-to-carry seat for hiking, camping, or any outdoor adventure, this video's for you. Today, we're going over the top 5 best lightweight backpacking chairs selected for their comfort, portability, durability, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. All right, let's get started. Number 1. Naturehike YLO 8 Backpacking Chair. First up is the Naturehike YLO 8. This chair literally sets up in 15 seconds, which is insanely fast compared to fumbling with other designs. Just snap the aluminum frame together and attach the fabric and you're done. No tools required, no complicated steps or confusing instructions that don't make sense. The frame is aircraft-grade aluminum, which sounds fancy, but basically means it's way stronger than typical camping chairs and won't bend out of shape after one trip. Supports 265 pounds while weighing barely over 2 pounds, which is honestly impressive engineering that doesn't compromise durability. The fabric is breathable Oxford material with mesh panels on the sides, so you're not getting soaked in sweat sitting around camp watching the fire. Folds down to like 14 by 3.5 inches, which fits in a backpack pocket or attaches to your gear easily without taking up tons of space. The anti-sink feet are detachable, which is genuinely useful on sand or mud where regular chair legs just disappear into the ground and tilt everything. Number 2. ATEPA Folding Backpacking Chair. Coming up next is the ATEPA, weighs 2.5 pounds, which is legitimately light if you're hiking all day through mountains or rough terrain. Push-pull aluminum frame means setup takes seconds without hunting for tools or figuring out complicated assembly procedures that waste time. The 3D cut seat actually conforms to your body instead of just being a flat surface that gets uncomfortable after an hour. Breathable mesh panels keep air flowing so you're not sitting in a sweat puddle during warm weather or after physical activity. Low-profile leg design lowers your center of gravity, which sounds technical, but basically means the chair feels stable and secure and you don't feel like you're perched up high wondering if you'll tip over. Supports 330 pounds, which covers most people with room to spare for anyone bigger. Dual side pockets and a cup holder mean you're not setting your drink on the ground where it gets knocked over or spilled everywhere. Includes carry bag and frame wrap with Velcro, which makes packing organized and prevents pieces from getting tangled together. Number 3. Wildhiker 2.8 TBS Backpacking Chair. Third on our list is the Wildhiker. The name says 2.8 pounds and it actually weighs that, which is refreshing when companies overstate specs. Large detachable anti-sinking feet are genuinely useful when you're setting up on sand, mud, or soft ground. Normal chair legs just sink and tilt, but these feet keep you level and stable no matter what surface you're on. Despite the weight, it supports 330 pounds, and the triangular frame design is genuinely solid and doesn't wobble. Folds down to about 14 by 6 by 5 inches, which fits in backpacks without taking up half the space or adding excessive bulk. The ergonomic design with breathable mesh back and deep seat means you're actually comfortable sitting for hours instead of fidgeting constantly because your legs are falling asleep. Side pocket keeps your phone and essentials within reach so you're not searching through your bag for things. The whole thing feels like someone actually thought about what backpackers actually need instead of just slapping parts together randomly. Number 4. Moon Ultralight Backpacking Chair. Fourth is the Moon Ultralight Backpacking Chair, and the name is no exaggeration. It weighs just 2.7 pounds, making it one of the lightest options on the market. The clever foldable frame with detachable fabric allows you to pack only the frame if you need to cut weight, or include the fabric for instant comfort. The seat opens to roughly 20 by 21 inches, providing a roomy space to sit, and folds down to barely bigger than your hand, so it fits almost anywhere. Made from 775 aluminum alloy and 600D Oxford ripstop nylon, the chair is durable enough for repeated use without adding extra weight. Double-stitched seams prevent tearing, and the breathable mesh back ensures you stay cool even on sunny days. Supports up to 330 pounds without issue. Side pockets give easy access to phones, snacks, or small gear. Compact enough for carry-on luggage, this chair is versatile for backpacking, camping, picnics, beach trips, or music festivals. It's an all-around solid performer that balances portability, durability, and comfort in one package. Number 5. Hikero Beach Backpacking Chair. Rounding out our list is the Hikero Beach Backpacking Chair, another lightweight 2.8-pound option. Its X-shaped aluminum frame distributes weight evenly, giving a stable seat even on uneven or soft terrain. Supports up to 330 pounds, making it a reliable choice for most adults. The seat is designed for extended comfort rather than just a quick rest. Elastic corded poles make setup simple, while the removable fabric allows easy cleaning, storage, and transport. Side pockets are perfect for holding your phone, keys, or a small water bottle. This chair shines at beaches, barbecues, picnics, festivals, or campgrounds, anywhere you need a portable, comfortable seat. The combination of lightweight construction, stability, and practical design makes it an excellent value for anyone who spends time outdoors. And that wraps up the top 5 best lightweight backpacking chairs. Which one would you take on your next trip? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe to Tech Talk Reviews, and turn on notifications so you stay updated with future content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.